So students, we are having 3 or 4 formulas to find the sum of an AP series. So first formula we have used in question number 1 and question number 2. So today we will try to solve question number 3. But before solving question number 3, you need to know how many formulas we can apply for finding the sum of an AP series. So first formula is looking Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 2a can be split into a plus a. So a plus a is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d here. So we know that about a plus n minus 1 into d. So now Sn becomes n by 2 a plus, that is the formula of nth term. So it is, we can write an, because we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In previous exercise we have used this formula. So this is the first formula, this one is first formula. Or second formula we got Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Now third formula, in place of an we can write a plus l, because we know that l is equal to also a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know that l or an both are same, or both are having same formula. So we can use both the formula for finding the sum of an AP series. So in question number 3 we will use these 3 formulas. So you must remember these 3 formula before solving the question. Students, now we will solve question number 3, option number 4 of exercise 5.3. In this problem, A3 is given 15, S10 is given 125, and we have to find out the value of D. D is common difference, and A10 means 10th term. Third term is given 15 and sum of 10 term is given 125, or we have to find out D and A10. So we know about A3. A3 is third term, which is equal to A plus 2D. We have discussed in a previous exercise, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2d. So a3 is equal to a plus 2d. So put the value a3 15 or a plus 2d. So we got first equation. Now S10 is equal to 125. So as we know, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of n, because we need to find out sum of 10 terms. So in place of n we are putting 10. Again in place of n 10. 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Everywhere we will put where we are getting n, so we are putting 10. So we got S10 is 125. So put the value 125, 10 by 2 is equal to 5, 2a plus 9d. So 5 is a multiple of 2a plus 9d, or so that will be transferred into left hand side. Now we will cut it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, or 5 5 ja 25. So 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Now this is become the equation number 2. But here we are having a little problem. If we are eliminating these two equations, so we are having other coefficient a. The coefficient of a is equal to 1 here, or coefficient of a is equal to 2 here. So we need to do the little change before solving or before using the elimination method for finding the value of a and d. Without finding a and d, we can't find out 10th term. So resolving equation number 1, resolving, or we can say multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2. equation number 1, multiplying by 2 equation number 1. So here if we are multiplying this equation 15a plus 2d or multiplying by 2. So 15 2s are 30 is equal to 2a plus 2 2s are 4d. Now it has become equation number 3. Now we are having equation number 2. So we will write here equation number 2, 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d, equation number 2. Now we are looking in both the equation. In both the equation we are having same coefficient of a. So now we can subtract it, minus, minus, minus. So 30 minus 25 is equal to 5, 2a cut, or 0 we can write, or 4d minus 9d is equal to minus 5d. So d is equal to 5 by minus 5. That means 5 banja, 5 banja. So d is equal to, we got d is equal to minus 1. So now if we want to find out the value of a, so we can put the value of d in equation 1, either 1 or 2 or 3. Anywhere you can put the value of d for finding the value of a. Or if you are able to find out the value of a and d, so definitely you can find out the value of a10 or 10th term. Now we are having the value of d is equal to minus 1. So we are putting the value of d in equation 1 because it is little easier. You can, if you want to put the value of d in equation 2 or equation 3, so you can put, but I am finding myself suitable to putting the value of d in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is that 15 is equal to a plus 2d. So here I am putting the value of d. So 15 is equal to a plus 2 into minus 1. So 15 is equal to a. 2 1 ja 2, plus minus multiply minus. So a is equal to 15. Now transfer minus 2 at left hand side, so that will become 17 is equal to a. So we got a is equal to 17. Now we got a and d we already calculated, so we can easily find out the value of, so we have to find out d. D is equal to minus 1, a10. Now a10 is equal to, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to find out a10. So in place of n we are putting 10. 10 minus 1 into d. So a10 is equal to a plus 9d. Now we can put the value of a is equal to 17 and d is equal to minus 1. So a10 is equal to 17 or 9 1 ja minus 9. So a10 is equal to 8. So this is the answer of given problem. We have to find out two things. So we easily found these two values, a10 is equal to 8 and d is equal to, you got minus 1. So that will be the solution of this problem. The problem is little difficult, but if you try best, so you can solve within 5 minutes or 7 minutes easily. Students, now we are solving exercise 5.3, question number 3, option number 7. In this problem, a is given 8 and an is given 62, Sn is given 210. Find the value of n and d. So we can find out the value of n and d by using the property of sum of n terms, using the identity of sum of n terms. So we know that the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or another formula we know that n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2a will be split into a plus a. So we can write also the formula n by 2 a, or that will be a plus n minus 1 into d. It may be written as an. We can write it as an. Now putting all the values, Sn we know that Sn is 210. We don't know the value of n, but we have the value of A8, or an we are having 62. So easily we can find out here from the value of n. So 8 plus 62 is equal to 70, or 2 1 ja 2, 30 5 ja. So 210 is equal to n into 35. So n is equal to 210 divided by 35. So 5 7 ja 35, or 7 5 ja 35, or 7 3 ja, or 0. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja. So n is equal to, you got 6. So when we got n, first thing to find out, n is equal to what? Or d we can find out. So n easily we found here, n is equal to 6. So here the value of n is equal to 6. Now we can use this formula for finding the value of d. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d here. So an is given 62, a is given 8. We don't have, we have the value of n also 6 minus 1, but we don't have the value of d. So from this equation we can find out the value of d easily. 62, 8 will be transferred in left hand side, or 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5d. So 54 is equal to 5d. So hence d is equal to what? Hence d is equal to 54 by 5. So easily, so answer of this question is, answer is a is equal to, d is equal to 54 by 5, and n is equal to 6. We can easily find out the value of d or n by using this formula for finding the value of sum of n terms. So students, now we will solve question number 7 of exercise 5.3. Here the problem is that find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So before solving the problem we must write down what is given or what is we have to find out, like me. So here we have to find out the sum of 22 terms, but we are having d is equal to 7 and a 22, or 22nd term is given 149. So we have to use these two things for finding the value as 22. So easily we can find out if we know all the formula and how to apply this formula for finding the value. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is equal to 22. So in place of n we are putting 22. So again we will put in place of n 22 minus 1 into d. So that means a22 is equal to a plus 21d. So a22 is given in the problem 149, or a we don't have, we need to find out a 21, d is given 7. So from this equation we can easily find out the value of a. To transfer the constant into left hand side. So 149 is equal to a. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So transfer 147 in left hand side. So we will get a is equal to 2. So we got the value of a here. Now we know that, as we know that, one more formula for finding the sum of n term is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Now directly if we are putting 22 here Sn, because we need to find out 22. So here n again we will put 22 by 2. A we have already calculated. So 2 or an, in place of n again we will put 22. So now a we can find out, a we have got here, so we put the value a is equal to 2. So as 22 is given 149, again we will put here 149. 22 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 11 ja, so 11 ja, or 2 plus a 22 is given, we have to find out this one as 22, or we have a 22 is equal to 149. Now as 22 is equal to 11 or 2, so 151. So as 22 multiply 11 by 151, 11 1 ja 11, carry 1, 11 5 ja 55, 56 5, 11 1 ja 11 of 5, 16. So we got as 22 is equal to 1661. So that is the answer of this problem, as 22 or sum of 22 term is equal to 1661. It is the answer of this problem. Exercise 5.3, question number 7. Now we will solve question number 10, option number 2 of exercise 5.3. Question is given, an is given, defined below, and an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So we have to find out here sum of the first 15 terms of given nth term. Here n. So how to solve? We have to find out as 15. So for finding sum, we need how many things? As n we know that n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So before finding the value of as 15, we need to find out the value of a and d compulsory, or we will put here n is equal to 15, 15 by 2, but we need to find out the value of a and d for finding the value of as 15. So we have found an equation, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So if in place of n, if we are putting n is equal to 1, if we are putting in place of n, so a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. So we will get a is equal to 9 minus 5 or is equal to 4. So a1 is equal to a, it is the first term. If we are putting in equation number 1, it is, suppose it is equation number 1, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So in first step we have put n is equal to 1 in equation 1. Again put n is equal to 2 in equation 1. So in equation 1 you are having again the equation an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Put here in place of n 2. So 9 minus 5 into 2. So a2 is equal to 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. So we got one more term, second term, first term, and if we need to calculate, so we can put n is equal to 3, so we can get easily third term. But we don't need third term, because in the problem we need a means a1, both are equal, a1 means first term or a is also first term, or d. If we can calculate d, so we will put the value of a and d in the formula of sum of n terms. So definitely we can get sum of 15 terms. So a2 we got a2 is equal to minus 1, or a1 we got 4, or a1 is equal to a. As we know, I have described in previous classes about a or a1. Both are same. So we know that D, what is D? D is equal to second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. So from here we can get A2. A2 is equal to minus 1 or minus A1 is equal to 4. So we will get D is equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So D is equal to minus 5 or A is equal to 4. Or we can write here A is equal to 4 or which is equal to also A1. A is equal to A1. Now we can put the value of A or D in given equation or the formula of sum of n terms. So as we know that as n is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of n, if we are putting 15 because we need to find out first sum of first 15 terms. So here we are putting 15 by 2 2a. A is equal to 4 plus n. Again we can put 15 minus 1 or d is equal to minus 5. So all values we have put here. Now we can calculate easily. So as 15 is equal to 15 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 15 minus 1 14 or minus 5 will be multiplied here. So as 15 is equal to 15 by 2, 8, 14 5s are minus 70. So as 15 is equal to 15 by 2 or here 8 minus 70. So we will get here minus 62. So we can cut here 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. Or now we are having the multiple as 15 is equal to 15 into minus 31. So we can multiply here 15 1 ja 15 carry 1 15 45 और 1 minus 465. It is the answer. So we can write answer sum of first 15 term is equal to minus 465. It is the solution of this question. So such kind of problem you can solve in exercise 5.3. So you must try to solve other question or I will send you the hint how to solve such kind of question, because it is not possible. I will solve and make the video of each and every problem of your text.